D, go. Happy birthday, Mama.
Mama,
Happy
happy
birthday, Mama.
birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday,
Happy
happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama.
Mama.
Dapat
Happy birthday, Mama Jing. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama G! Thank you for always keeping our tummies full.
Thank you for always providing us care.
Thank you sa dami.
Thank you sa treats. We
Love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jean. Wish you could have abundance and wonderful life. I hope we can go to UK also to be with your family. Happy birthday, Jean. I love you, Jean.
Pala yan. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come. God bless and good health. Bye.
Hello, abala yan ang ate ko. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
Happy birthday, Mama G! I love you!
Happy birthday, Jean. God bless. I'm praying for you, for your health, your good strength na ma-overcome mo data marikrik nam. Stay safe, stay humble, and pray for your happiness, good life, and long life. That's all.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ginger. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mama Jing!
Birthday, Mama Jing. More birthdays to come and blessings to come. I love you, Mama Jing. Once again, happy birthday, Mama Jing.
and go.
Happy birthday, Mama Jing. Birthday, Mama Jing. Happy birthday, Mama Jing. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Jing. Happy birthday, Mama Jing. I miss you and I love you. Mwah.
Birthday, Mama Jing. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Jing. Happy birthday, Mama Jing. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you so much. Agsisimpet ka kanayon. Ang abagin Papa. Love you.
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday to my soon-to-be mama! I wish you a happy birthday, Tita. Awan sa baling nga wish ko king kano diket good health and happiness in life. I just want to let you know that we love you so much. We miss you and we hope that we will see you all soon, very, very soon. And I hope that you enjoy your birthday, Tita. Thank you. We are all blessed to have you and yeah, just enjoy and hang ako mga agsaksakit and yeah, we love you.
Hi, Ma. So, kumusta kayon? So, I hope nga good health kayo lata. So, tata, kahit kailang i-greet na happy birthday. Kasamit nga, wish ko kada kayo nga ikan na kayo lata niya putipigsak and good health. Ken, giyaman kada kayo ta, da kayo mong suporta kanya. Kasamit nga, pagyaman aklo ko na, ligay siya, impaayo nga oras kanya, jete wala yo kanya. So, naglagipin nyo nga. I think kayo, mamimiss kayo. So, ayan. So nagrami na kiti video. Tapno ma-surprise kay ka dito nga aramid ni ate. So ayan. So mamiss na kayon. I hope nga makapag-visit kam to met ka ni Joyce. Palubos na po. So yan. Bye-bye ma. Love you. Ingat kay kan kanayan kada kay tatami just real kan ni Papa. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday.